How to track Foodpanda order. Open Foodpanda app. Select payment method and place your order. Once you place order, you can see restaurant start preparing your food, and once it is ready you can track your rider location on that page and see where your order is. This is the process to track Foodpanda order. Thanks for watching.